Good morning, children. We are entering in our second class today. Yesterday we studied about the factor theorem. Factor theorem, f of x is a polynomial and x minus a is a factor of f of x. Then we can get two things. First one, f of a equal to 0. F of a equal to 0. Then x minus a is a factor of f of x. If f of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of f of x. Then x minus a is a factor. Then second, x minus a is a factor, then f of a equal to 0. X minus a equal to factor means then f of a equal to 0 means that the remainder will come 0. In second case, in first case, x minus if f of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. Then x minus a is a factor means then f of a will become 0 then. Today we can go through some more examples. Next example. Find the value of a for which x minus a is a factor of the polynomial f of x equal to s to the power 5 minus a square x cube plus 2s plus a minus 3. Find the values of a for which x minus a is a factor of the polynomial f of x equal to s to the power 5 minus a square x cube plus 2x plus a minus 3. We can write first f of x. F of x equal to s to the power 5 minus a square s cube plus 2x plus a minus 3. What is our f of x? S to the power 5 minus a square s cube plus 2x plus a minus 3. Then g of x given x minus a. That is our next step. G of x equal to 0. Then g of x equal to 0 means x minus a equal to 0. G of x 0 means x minus a equal to 0. Then x equal to a. Minus a is going from letters to r. Then this minus a will become positive. Now we can substitute this x equal to a in this given polynomial. X equal to a. X equal to a. Now f of a. F of a equal to a to the power minus 5 minus a square. Instead of x, we can write here a cube plus 2 into a plus a minus 3. Okay, instead of this x, we can substitute a. F of a equal to a to the power 5 a square, then instead of x, a to the power 3 plus 2 into a plus instead of 2 into a, then this is a, then minus 3. A equal to f of a equal to a to the power 5 minus a to the power 2 plus a to the power 3 equal to a to the power 5 plus 2a. 2 into a 0 then. Okay. A to the power 5 minus a to the power 5 plus 2a plus a minus b equal to 0 then. F of a equal to a to the power 5 plus a to the power 5 minus a to the power 5 cancel that. Plus a to the power 5 minus a to the power 5 we are cancelling. Then this will become 0 plus 2a plus a 3a. 2a plus a 3a. 3a minus 3 equal to 0. 3a minus 3 equal to 0. Then 3a equal to 3. 3a equal to 3. Then a equal to 3 upon 3 equal to 1. What is the value of a? What is the value of a? A equal to 1. What is f of x given? Then g of x given x plus. Then we are substituting that value in this equation and all. Finally, for us to answer a equal to 3. A equal to 3. Sorry, a equal to 1. 3a minus 3a equal to 3. Then a equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. A equal to 1. Okay. Now we can see one another example there. For what value of k is the polynomial 2s to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2kx square plus 3s plus 6 exactly divisible by s plus 2. For what value of k is the polynomial 2s to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2kx square plus 3s plus 6 exactly divisible by s plus 2. Here we have to find a k value. Here we have to find a k value. F of x given f of x equal to 2x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 3 plus 2kx square plus 3x plus 6. F of x 2x to the power 2 already. F of x given 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 2kx square plus 3s plus 6. Then g of x equal to s plus 2. G of x equal to s plus 2. G of x equal to s plus 2. Then we have to find the value of k there. G of x equal to s plus 2. Then g of x 0 means s plus 2 equal to 0. G of x is 0. Then s plus 2 0. Then x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Now we have to take substitute. Instead of x minus 2 in this given polynomial, f of x equal to 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2kx square plus 3s plus 6. 3s plus 6 we can substitute the x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Therefore, f of minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 power 4 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into k into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus into minus into minus into minus into minus. 4 times minus multiply means that symbol will become positive only. Therefore, 16 into 2, 32. 16 into this after multiplication minus 2 to the power 4, 16 into this 2, 32 plus here my power is odd. Therefore, symbol will come minus only. Symbol will come minus. Minus 8 into 3. Minus 24. Minus 24. Then this one minus 2 into 2 means plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Then plus 4 into 2 8. 8 into k means 8k. 8k plus 8k plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Okay. Minus 6. Minus 6. Then that's 6. Equal to 0 there. Equal to 0. Now 32 plus we can write here only. Then you can see also. F of 2. F of minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to F of minus 2 equal to 32 minus 24. 32 minus 24 plus 80k. This minus 6 and plus 6 will cancel. Minus 6 and plus 6 will cancel. Minus 6 plus 6 will cancel. Equal to 0. Then 32 minus 24. 32 minus 24 equal to 8. 8 plus 80k equal to 0. 32 minus 24 8. 80k like that only equal to 0. Then 80k equal to minus 8. 80k equal to minus 8. Then k equal to minus 80 by 8. K equal to minus 80 by 8. That is equal to 1. That's minus 1. That's value k equal to minus 1. Now we got k equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we can do another example for finding value of a there. Find the value of a. Find the value of a for which the polynomial s to the power 4 minus s cube minus 11x square minus s plus a is divisible by x plus 3. Find the value of a for which the polynomial s to the power 4 minus s cube minus 11x square minus s plus a is divisible by s plus 3. S plus 3. Okay, same like this only. First we can write f of x. F of x. F of x equal to 2x cube. 2x cube minus 3x square. 3x square minus 18x plus a. 18x plus a. This is a. Okay. What is f of x? 2x cube minus 3x square minus 18x plus a. Then what is our g of x? G of x equal to x minus 4. G of x equal to x minus 4. X minus 4. X minus 4. Then what is our next step? Next step. G of x equal to 0. Then 4 equal to 0. E of x equal to 0, then x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 4. X equal to 4 there. X equal to 4. Then instead of x we can substitute now 4 there. Instead of x we can substitute now 4. Then f of 4. F of 4 equal to, in this given polynomial, okay, f of 4 equal to 2 into 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 minus 3 into 4 square minus 18 into 4 plus a equal to 0. Okay. Then f of 4 equal to 4 into 4 16 into 4 64 into 2 128. Okay. 4 into 3 4 into 4 16 into 4 64 into 2 128. Then 4 into 4 16 into 3 48. 16 into 3 48 minus 18 into 4 32. Then 4 into 1 4 plus 3 72 minus 72 plus a equal to 0. Okay. What is our step now? We reach till f of 4 equal to 128 48 72 equal to 48 72. We can have 72 48 0. Then 120 minus 120 plus a equal to 0. Okay. F of 128. F of 4 equal to 128 minus 120 plus a equal to 0. Now we can write f of 4 equal to k plus a. K plus a equal to 0. Then a equal to minus 8. We can check our answer. Correct or wrong now. A equal to minus 8. That's the question. Okay. A equal to minus 8. Our answer is correct. Here d of x given x plus 4 or x minus 4. D of x given x minus 4, therefore x plus 4 equal to x minus 4 equal to 0 and x equal to 4. Okay, therefore finally for us getting a equal to minus 8. A equal to minus 8. Today we completed 3 questions. For finding is 2 questions and for finding is 1 question. Now I am giving for you some 2 homework. Okay. First one, find the value of a. First one, first question. Find the value of k for which x minus 1 is a x minus 1 is a factor of x minus 1 is a factor of 2s2 plus 9x square plus x plus k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which x minus 1 is a factor of 2s2 plus 9x square plus x plus k. 2s2 plus 9x square plus s plus k. Here f of x equal to this one, f of x equal to this one, and g of x equal to x minus 1. Okay, same like our example we can do. Now question number 2. Find the value of a. This one is first one, this one is second one. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. F of x equal to find the value of a. F of x equal to s to the power 4 minus s cube, s to the power 4 minus s cube minus 11x square minus x plus a. S to the power 4 minus s cube minus 11x square minus s plus a, and g of x equal to s plus 3. S plus 3. Find the value of a in given question. F of x equal to s to the power 4 minus s cube minus 11x square minus s plus a, and g of x given s plus 3. In both cases, you have to find the first case value of a and second case value of a. Okay, same like our example, these two questions you have to try and write in your copy. In the remaining portion we can see in next class. Okay, thank you.